Hey, what's up, AJT Jungle? We're going to recap this our fast and furious morning. Um, really started out with a little error, but you know how we approach errors. So we approached it with the plan that we have when we make trading errors, and then things tended to work out really good. But before I forget, because I'm likely to forget, I've got about 15 open spots. Those of you that want to get a mentor, want to transform your trading, it's all about mindset. It's not about your strategy. It's not because you probably have good strategies. It's about being able to execute those and, not coming in with the mindset of not losing. Okay, I talked about this the other day when I gave you the amateur tennis player versus the professional tennis player. The amateur tennis player just wants to get the ball over the net. They're not thinking of winning. They're thinking of not losing. But as a tennis player gets better and becomes an avid tennis player, they're looking to win. And their mindset is to put their opponent in tough positions so that they can make the errors. For us in trading, our mindset is everything. It's everything. Because it doesn't, if you're wondering, I'm following this guy and his strategy works for him, why can't I get it to work? You don't have the right mindset. You're not able to execute because you're thinking differently. And the person you're learning from may not even understand that to teach you that. But it's all about your mindset. So anybody that wants to come in here in the next couple of days, you will get $100 rebate. It's basically all the members that bring in somebody new, they get $100 rebate for bringing in a new member. Actually, you'll just get the rebate for bringing yourself in. So if you want to come in and learn this, we're here. All right, so Netflix. What happened? This is the opening range low. I did not want to get in at that point because I realized there was a daily level right here. But that nervous click, I accidentally clicked this twice and got in double size. So we don't panic. We do not panic. We zoom out, we look at the situation and say, okay, look, this is not going anywhere. Now, this stock had already made this big run up, so it's no big deal. That had already occurred. But we did get a back test against this resistance, which we see happen every day, damn near every day. So we wait to see what's going to happen here. It rejects it, comes back in, and works its way down. First target was based on the low of yesterday, and then the second target was in between this one and my final target, which was the 50-day moving average right here at around 604.25ish. All right, so we had the plan, and we got 2 hits on it. Now my stop automatically goes to my first target after I take 2 profit. I hit 2 profit targets. Stop automatically goes back. But because the way this thing was moving, I gave it a little bit of extra room. And we still got stopped out, but it was a decent profit stop. So this turned out to be a really decent trade, but it would not have been if I panicked, if I didn't have the right mindset, if I had the I don't want to lose mindset versus I'm here to make money, I'm here to win. It's the difference between night and day. It's not risk versus reward trading. It's reward for risk trading. That's what we do. It's reward for risk. All right, so the last trade for today was Tesla. This morning, we got Tesla. This is traditional entry. It took out the pre-market low. The 5-minute opening range low was up here, but I'm not shorting into support. Once we got through that, I got short. We got our first target. I was looking for 180, but the way the price action was going, it forced me to adjust it, and you could see reading price action, it's you can't beat it, guys. You cannot beat it. And that's what I'm teaching you. So it bounced. It took us off at break even. Now if we come back and start to sell, yeah, it's got to take out the channel that it put in. Okay, remember we talked about channels yesterday. Everybody should be clear on that. So once it takes out the bottom of this channel, then I've got another trade. But in here, I've got nothing. This is the kill zone. This is where you lose control of your emotions, get upset, and tend to make bad decisions. So that wraps it up for me this morning. I gotta run and take my wife to the doctor, and we'll be back because we're looking for Netflix earnings today. We're looking for Netflix earnings today, so can't wait for that. So don't forget, if you guys need some help with your mindset, if you're not getting what you need to get out of your trading, I can help.